We'll guide you through how to use Krita on Android. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device and search for Krita. Tap on the app and hit the I install button to download it. Once installed, open Krita and you'll be greeted by the home screen, where you can start a new project. Tap on the plus icon to create a new canvas. You can choose from various canvas sizes or customize your own. Next, familiarize yourself with the interface. At the bottom, you'll find the tool selector where you can choose from brushes, erasers, and other essential tools. To access the color picker, tap on the color circle icon and it will display a variety of colors and shades. You can also adjust your brush size and opacity by tapping on the brush settings icon next to it. If you want to add layers, tap on the layers icon on the right side. This will allow you to add, remove, and manage your layers, which is crucial for complex drawings. Don't forget to save your work frequently by tapping on the file icon and selecting Save As. You have the option to save your project in different formats like PNG or PSD, depending on your needs. Krita on Android supports gestures too, so you can pinch to zoom or rotate your canvas with 2 fingers, making it easy to navigate and work on details. If you ever need to undo or redo an action, you can find these options at the top of the screen, represented by the undo and redo arrows. And remember, Krita is a powerful tool with a lot of features, so don't hesitate to explore and try things out. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.